is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station, live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. We got high winds heading for Vancouver on Monday, November the 19th, 2012. Vancouver's going to get real high winds and heavy rain on Monday and Tuesday. People in Vancouver, be prepared. Have your flashlights ready. Have your iPads charged. Have your tablets charged. Have your laptops charged. Telephone lines will be down. And the transformers will be destroyed. And telephone poles will be down. And trees will be uprooted in Vancouver, British Columbia. Here's my advice for people in Vancouver, because the high winds is going to happen on Monday, November the 18th, 2012. Don't open up your umbrella or your umbrella will be broken, because high winds can damage an umbrella and can even break an umbrella. High winds is going to hit Vancouver, British Columbia on Monday, November the 18th, 2012. Winds will be very strong and howling winds. Garbage will be flying around and garbage cans will be tipped over. Have your extra batteries ready. Have your candles ready. Have your iPads charged. Have your cell phones charged. Have your laptops charged. Because the winds will be very powerful in Vancouver on Monday, November the 18th, 2012. Because the winds will be real strong in Vancouver on November the 19th, 2012. High winds will hit Vancouver on Monday, November the 19th, 2012. Winds will be very strong and powerful winds to hit Vancouver on Monday, November 19th, 2012 and Tuesday, November 20th, 2012. Best of luck to you. People in Vancouver, be prepared for a huge windstorm. Good luck.